Today we are testing the 61 caliber Byrna compact launcher and putting it up against our most powerful launcher to date, the 68 caliber Byrna LE, to see exactly what kind of damage we can do with both against some mediums that you're probably familiar with. And we're catching it all on high speed, so you're not gonna miss a thing. So here we got the LE on this side and the CL on this side. And as you can see, not only did it cook through this first piece of plywood, but left a serious divot in the second piece. The CL even deeper in this second piece of drywall than the LE over here. Very interesting result. Clearly a lot of power going through that CL. All right, so this is 3/4 inch of plywood here, and we can see this is our original LE round that hit and bounced off and didn't quite make it through. And then this is our CL round, which actually made it in and stuck, but let's take a look at exactly what they did on the back side of this plywood. I think you'll be surprised. So here's the back side of the same piece of plywood. Our LE round hit on the other side right about here, and we can see there's really no back force deformation or breaking or anything. This is from our CL round. It almost got through the back side of this 3/4 inch plywood. So there's definitely a lot more penetration power happening on that CL side as it's coming out so much faster. All right, so we just shot this metal plate with both the LE and the CL. And if you can see right here, we're seeing quite a bit more back force deformation from the CL. And if we zoom in here, we're even starting to see some splitting in the metal. That CL round almost cooked through this metal plate. This, along with a lot of the other tests we've done today, really demonstrates how equivalent the power is between the LE and CL, even though it's only half the size, and really proves that the CL is all about concealability without compromise.